Hi, my name's Lever. Today I'm here with
Allie Smith. I'm dressed up as everybody's favorite ice queen, Elsa, Queen of Arendelle.
I am Anna from Frozen, and she is a princess of Arendelle.
And we're going to be making some Frozen themed hot chocolate.
So the first thing you do is 1 cup white chocolate. And then we have 1/3 cup of milk, and then 4 tablespoons of vanilla extract. And we also have a whipped topping, and optional. And that is sprinkles. And food coloring is on color. And we also have cups. Also, first thing you do that's good is to put 1/3 cup of milk. So after that, we put the sugar waters and milk in the pot. I'm gonna go ahead and stir this. It gets boiled. I always want to be a chef growing up. I always want to be.
So what happens if you don't continue stirring?
Well, it has to turn that it will burn the house down.
Oh, yeah, definitely keep stirring.
So if you're a chef, please ask the guardian and parents permission by using the stove.
Definitely. You're dealing with a very hot object and we want to keep you safe.
Yep.
Leah, it looks like the chocolate's melted.
It's melted?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. Alright, you ready?
I'm very excited.
Same. That's perfect.
Thank you.
Chocolate.
It smells sweet.
Next, but after that, we put the food coloring in the pot.
Here we go, we're adding the magic.
That's it, so the food coloring.
Ooh, it's so magical.
Magic. It's
Definitely.
a Disney magic, Disney.
Definitely. Here it is.
Everything is blue and frozen.
A perfect frozen magical cup of hot chocolate.
Good for our castle that we live.
Yep. Arendelle.
After that, we pour the chocolate into the cups. I loved it. It's time for whipped cream. Sorry, after this is the whipped cream and the hot chocolate. Got it! Ah! Wow, I did it!
You did it!
I did it!
It looks so good. I like that you're doing a swirl. It looks like a little mountain.
On this, we put the sprinkles and whipped cream. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's good. Yummy is good.
I mean, it's like white chocolate, hot chocolate. It's incredible.
It was really good, Abby.
It was really good. You did a great job on the cookies.
Thank you.
Thank you for inviting me today. I had so much fun.
You too. Thank you and have a great Christmas.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and share Cooking with Leah.
Cheers. Cheers to Anna and Elsa.
To Anna and Elsa.
What do y'all think about that?
I think that's it.
What do you think about it?
Yummy is good.